Hello friends, in this video we will see some problems based on simple interest. Okay, so let us consider find the simple interest on rupees 6,000 at 10 percentage. I mean the rate of interest is 10 percentage per annum for a period from from pe- from a period from uh, 4th February 2005 to 18th April 2005. Okay, so in the question, the find the simple interest on 6,000. These are the rupees, 6,000 rupees. So this is our principal amount. So P is given as 6,000. Okay, and 10% is this is the rate of interest. We got 10% for a period from 4th February to 2005. So we have to find the T in years, and then we have to find the simple interest after that. Okay, so from February 4th to 18th April. So February 4th is there and 2005 is a non-leap year. So it is going to be contained remaining 24 days plus 4th February, April, February and March. March is going to be contained 31 days and then April 18. So I am adding this 18 days. So if we add this one, 5 plus 3 and 73 days. Okay, the time duration is 73 days. So but actually we need time in years. So we convert this number of 73 days into years, that is 373 by 365. So 73 by 365 is equivalent to 1 by 5 years. So that means T is equal 1 by 5. So now we have to find the simple interest. So as you know, the simple interest formula, simple interest is equal E into T into R by 100. So P is given, that is 6,000, and rate of interest 10 is given, and the time is given 1 by 5 in by 100. So that is going to be 100. Okay. So 2 cancel and 2 zeros cancel. 5 into 2 ja. Okay. 60 into 2. So that is going to be 120 rupees. Okay. So this is the simple interest we will get on 6,000 rupees at a rate 10% per annum for 73 days. We get 120 rupees. Okay, so I hope you got this one. So we will see another problem on this. Okay, that is the 120 rupees they will get. Okay, for example, a sum of rupees 800 amounts to 920 rupees in 3 years. In 3 years. Okay, at simple interest. At simple interest. If the interest rate is if the interest rate is increased by 4%, increased by 4%, it would amount to how much? It would amount to how much? It would amount to how much? So it is in 3 years at simple interest. So simple interest means actually the sum of 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years. So that means what simple interest is given by the initial the final amount we have 920 and the initial amount, so that is 800. So it is going to be 120. Okay, so that means the simple interest amount he earned on 800 in 3 years is 120 rupees. So this is the simple interest we got on 800 rupees in 3 years. Okay, so if the interest rate is increased by 4%, it would amount to how much? So we have to find the actual interest rate. So here the principal amount is given as 800 and the rate of interest we have to find, and the time is given as 3 years. Okay, and the time is given as 3 years. and the simple interest is 120. So we know the simple interest formula. So that is simple interest is equal E into T into R by 100. Substitute the value. Simple interest we have 120 is equivalent to P. Principal amount is 800 into time is 3 years and rate of interest we do not know. So this is 100. So this one is cancelled, this one is cancelled. 8 3 are 24. So 24 5 are 120. So that means the rate of interest. So the rate of interest is equal to 5%. Okay. So that means 800 amounts to 920 in 3 years with rate of interest 5%. Actually the question is different. If the interest rate is increased by 4%, interest rate is 5%, it is increased by 4%, then the rate of interest is going to be 9%. So it would amount to how much? So this 800 would amount to how much in 3 years with rate of interest 9. So that we have to find. So simple interest is equal to again PTR. P is 800 and time duration is 3 and rate of interest is 9 after increase by 4%. So 9 by 100. So this one is answer. And 24 into 9. Okay, 24 9 ja 36. Okay, 18 216. So 216. The simple interest we get on 800 rupees with rate of interest 9 for 3 years we get 216. This is the simple interest we got. But actually he is asking it would amount to how much. So the amount will get by the initial amount, that is 800 plus 216. The simple interest we get on this amount. Okay, so that is going to be 1016 rupees. 1016 rupees. So if the rate is increased by 4%, then the 800 will be amounts to 1016 rupees. 1016 rupees. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.